Hi, I'm Simon Taylor, the CEO and founder of HYCU. HYCU stands for Hybrid Cloud Uptime, and I'm thrilled to welcome all of our partners here today. Here at HYCU, we are disrupting the data protection industry really from the ground up. And I wanted to spend a few minutes telling you why working with HYCU is so incredibly different than all the legacy data protection vendors out there. First of all, HYCU offers a big P platform that we refer to as R Cloud, the letter R dash cloud. And R Cloud really does three things. First and foremost, it's the world's first low-code development platform for data protection. That means that any partner can easily build a data protection integration into the HYCU ecosystem. And we're going to talk about that in just a moment. The second thing that R Cloud offers is R Graph. Inside of R Graph, you're going to enable all of your customers so that you can see and visualize their entire environment. Imagine for a moment if your sellers were able to wake up, click a button, and see every single workload that was being run by every single one of your customers. And more than that, imagine if you could then offer value-added services like data protection to support all of those various different workloads. This is truly the dream, I think, of all managed service providers worldwide. And we're bringing that dream to reality with the launch of R Cloud. Everything that we do in R Cloud is multi-tenanted, and it's designed so that every area of your customer's organization can now receive the same equivalent levels of data protection support. So let me tell you what I mean. What's going to happen with R Cloud is that your customers are going to be able to log in, you'll be able to auto-discover their entire environment, and then it's going to build this beautiful tree that we call R Graph. Inside that tree, you're going to see that each branch is a different department inside your customer's organization. And hanging on each branch, you guessed it, are all the SaaS services, PaaS, DBAs, etc., all the workloads that are being run and managed by each individual department. So why do you care? Well, three reasons. First and foremost, you want to be able to offer your customers value add on their burn down and consumption for their cloud marketplaces. One of the things that we've seen with our 3,800 customers worldwide is that so many of them today prefer to buy from you partners while burning down credits in the hyperscaler marketplaces. And you guessed it, because HYCU is a big P platform and because it's natively integrated into the Azure marketplace, the Google marketplace, and the AWS marketplace, you can actually consume all of our services directly through those hyperscaler marketplaces using your customers' commits. The second reason you're going to care about us is because you, as a managed service provider, are constantly looking for ways to add new value to your customers. One of the things that we realized is that with 23,000 SaaS vendors out there in the marketplace today, there's not going to be a company that can build the data protection integrations to back them all up. That's where you come in. What HYCU offers our partners is the ability to use our low-code development platform. In as little as 3 days, you could have an integration to any SaaS service, which you can then sell to your customers, providing them with enterprise-level data protection for that particular SaaS service. I know, it's complicated. So let's break it down and let's use an example. Let's say that your customers are all using ServiceNow or Salesforce or any of the other 23,000 SaaS services out there. Choose 1, 2, or even 10 that you think are of most value to your customer base and build those integrations using HYCU's easy universal API and low-code development platform. Once you've built those integrations by answering a few simple non-technical questions, you own the rights to that integration. You're going to make 50% off of all of the sales of that integration to your own customers, and you'll also make incremental revenue off of the sales of that integration to the rest of the HYCU marketplace. That's right. So even if it's not your customer, even if it's in another country, once you build that integration and put it in our marketplace, you will receive revenue recognition for every single sale of that integration worldwide. We are seeing a tremendous amount of support from this model from our customer ecosystem and our partner ecosystem as well. And I think there's a couple reasons for that. I think first of all, what's better than providing multi-tenant level data protection across on-prem, public cloud, and SaaS? 2, what's better than helping your customers to visualize where all of their data is and where all their workloads are under a single pane of glass? And 3, who doesn't want an incremental revenue stream that requires 36 hours of work and a lifetime of value? So again, I'm Simon Taylor, the CEO and founder of HYCU. I recommend you go to www.hycu.com and set up a time with our partner team today. We can't wait to talk to you. Thank you.